Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share some altcoins that are looking really bullish, and as soon as BTC settles down, I think this alts can do magic. So before we begin the video, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this is just my point of view. So please make sure you do your own research and then only invest your money. You can lose all your money. So I'm again telling you, be sure before investing in crypto. So let us see which are these alts. I'll share you all the charts in front of you one by one, and we'll quickly look at all the alts. So before we look in the charts, this is one thing I want to show you guys, that our channel has reached 276 subscribers. Thank you very much for this encouragement. We've just been 1.5 month old in YouTube and you have given tremendous support, and I wish to achieve 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So please support in terms of your like and your shares. If you can see over here on our channel analytics, the not subscribed people are almost 81%. If you are watching this video, it takes special effort for me especially to make such videos and take out time. I only wish that you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And those who have subscribed, please hit the bell notification, because I am going to do a lot of impromptu live sessions whenever possible. And I might not be able to update that on Telegram or Twitter. So make sure you have hit that bell notification. So guys, with that, let's begin this video. And because YouTube algorithm catches the video that are liked by more people, and hence I'm telling you to like, otherwise I wouldn't tell you. So we are looking at the alts that can go well once Bitcoin settles down. So this is a disclaimer. If Bitcoin is not settled, if Bitcoin is volatile, and if the market is unsure about Bitcoin, I don't expect all to perform well. So this is a condition before we go on to charts, that this charts can only do well if Bitcoin performs well. Bitcoin needs to settle. That's what I think. So we are looking at all the alts against BTC, not against USDT. As they perform against BTC, they are bound to perform against USDT. Now we can see the first chart, that is linked BTC. This is a daily chart. And if you see, this was the trend line that we had drawn last month in our Chainlink analysis, which you can find in the YouTube channel. This is a trend line. And even in this dump, it has respected this trend line. This was the dump of May last week. And even in this dump, if you see, it has respected the trend line. So Chainlink right now is bullish against Bitcoin, and it's above the 21 EMA. That what is our bullish indicator. So if Bitcoin is settled, cooled, chilled, and once it is above the risk level, then I am expecting Chainlink to perform really well. So in the short time also, I can see Chainlink at least can give us another 40 to 50% in the Bitcoin pair. So this is the first thing you should keep in mind. I'm not telling you to buy right away, but in dips, you can keep adding Chainlink to your portfolio if you feel this is the right one for you. So the first is Chainlink, which is looking bullish. Even right now, it's bullish. The second one is Ethereum. Again, this is ETH BTC. And as you can see that ETH is bullish above our 21 daily EMA. And so once Bitcoin settles, I think ETH has a lot to offer, and ETH is bullish on all levels. We are getting daily bullish news for ETH from everywhere, that institutions are interested in taking ETH, and EIP 1559, and a lot of things are happening on ETH, DeFi, NFT, entire space. So ETH is fundamentally bullish and the chart is also looking bullish. So I guess for ETH, if Bitcoin settles down, then at least on the short term, immediate, we can see another, let me we can see another pump for ETH that can give us at least 20 to 25% in BTC. So you can imagine what it can do in USDT. It can do more in the USDT pair. So keep in mind our second alt is ETH. The third chart that I want to show you is ADA. So Cardano, ADA again extremely bullish, and it's just waiting for Bitcoin in the market to cool down, settle down, so it can start pumping. So even today it is bullish, and it's just a matter of time again before ADA creates new all-time highs, in my opinion. So again, once things look better, I am expecting at least a 60% pump in Cardano against Bitcoin. Okay, we are looking at the Bitcoin pair. This is a daily chart, and you can see this is very bullish. There is nothing bearish at all about ADA. So the third coin that you should keep in mind is ADA. Fourth, that is looking really good on the daily, is Matic. I think nobody needs to tell anything about Matic. It has been the flavor of the season, and it is not looking weaker at all. Like, I think there's a lot of pump Matic is left, and if we look at the immediate target that I can see Matic achieving in the short term is at least another 60% in BTC pay. So again, guys, this is not something that will happen in one day. Okay, this is the next leg that I'm telling you. And of course, we need Bitcoin to be bullish, to be above the danger zone. Until then, market can be volatile, and in spite of alt looking good, they can dump. As we saw in the dump last week, that none of the alts were looking bearish at all. It was only because of Bitcoin every alt fell down, and Matic has been the only one that has recovered 100%. So Matic is fourth alt for us. You should keep in mind, and whenever you get dips, I think you can take entry. The fifth alt that is looking very good is YFI. So again, this is a YFI BTC chart, and as you can see, it is above our bullish cloud, and YFI is, in fact, as it is, if even it goes to the previous all-time high, then also it can give us amazing returns in BTC. So that's almost 40% in YFI BTC for its previous all-time high. And of course, once breaking that, I think it can go way higher. So in short term also, YFI is again a good option that you can look at. And the final alt for today is Aave. You can see that Aave is bullish. This was our previous target given, and which we achieved. And from there exactly it came down, because that was the test of the previous all-time high. Again, this is an Aave BTC chart on a daily chart. So if we see on the chart, this is an entire 180-degree for Aave. And in fact, on a longer term, it is possible that it can form. It's still very early to say, but this can form like cup and a handle. And so this is the cup, and this will be the handle. So this is possible for Aave. So Aave is very bullish. Entire DeFi space is bullish, and in that I see Aave and YFI really bullish against the Bitcoin pair. So guys, keep these alts in mind, and I hope you guys have liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and see you for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.